Hey everybody, and how's it going? In this video we will be talking about how to remove wanted status in Palworld. So without a further ado, let's dive into the solution. So if you are a fan of a game and you know how annoying those wanted levels could be, like similar to those in GTA games, so now in order to remove them you can simply follow these simple steps. So first one is simply give up and die. So here, as you can see, the easiest way to change your wanted status is to give up and die, get yourself killed. And if you do feel guilty about crimes you've committed, you can absolve yourself of evil by simply giving up and letting PIDF kill you. So this is the first one, and I know this is quite cheesy, but after that you can see we have killed the PIDF member. So the second solution in our list is simply kill the PIDF member, and that will simply kill the member that is chasing you. And this is of course the method more suited for players prepared for combat, but if you are one of them, it is a viable option for you. After that you can simply kill the witness. Of course, alternatively, you can remove your wanted status by killing all witnesses who could potentially rat on your misdeeds. So yeah, and then run away. So if you can just make your way away, make sure to run away, and that will just decrease or remove your wanted status. After that, exit the reload. So the cheekiest option is to exit the game and reload if you need to remove your wanted status efficiently. This was definitely not intended by developers. However, you can very much sidetrack removing the status in game by simply exiting your save or the game and reloading it. So this is really cheeky one, and it actually works really good. So yeah, so these were some of the methods that you can follow to avoid or remove wanted levels in the game, and I really hope you found these tutorials helpful and enjoy your gaming experience. And I really hope you found this tutorial helpful as well. So make sure to comment down below what else you want to see upcoming next onto the channel, and really excited about more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next couple of videos. Thank you.